ninth standard. So today I am going to explain you about plant cell. So what is plant cell? The basic unit of plant is called plant cell. Today I am going to explain you about plant cell and its organelles. Organelles means parts or components. So first one is cell wall. Cell wall is the outermost covering of the plant cell and its function is to protect the plant cell from the inner components of the cell from outer environment. Its function is to give support, protection and rigidity to the cell. Another one is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is this semi-transparent fluid which is present in the cell. We can't see this fluid in the cell. We call it as cytoplasm. In cytoplasm, different biochemical reaction occurs. Different biochemical reaction occurs. In cytoplasm, all the cell organelles float to each other. Another one is nucleus. Nucleus is one of the important part of the plant cell. Like our brain. Brain controls all the functions of our body. So like that nucleus function is, it regulates all the functions of the organelles in the plant cell. Nucleus is double membrane. Double layered membrane. Based on the presence of nucleus, it is divided into two mainly types. One is prokaryotes and another one is eukaryotes. Prokaryotes means a cell which do not have prokaryotes means which do not contain nucleus in the cell, and eukaryotes means which contain nucleus in the cell. It is very important part of the plant cell. Without nucleus, we can't control all the function of the organelles in the plant cell. Another one is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is like our membrane. You can see eggshell, it has very thin membranes. Like in our plant cell, it has very thin layer membrane. Membrane-like structure called endoplasmic reticulum. Membrane-like structure. Endoplasmic reticulum function is transport of one part of the cell to another part of the cell. How it moves? By the endoplasmic reticulum. If endoplasmic reticulum is absent in the plant cell, the moving of organelles from one part of the cell to another part of the cell can't occur. This is about endoplasmic reticulum, and it is divided into two types. One is rough endoplasmic reticulum, RER. Another one is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum means it have ribosomes on the surface. These are called ribosomes. And smooth endoplasmic reticulum means it does not have ribosomes. Rough endoplasmic reticulum function is manufacturing of proteins. Manufacturing proteins. And smooth endoplasmic reticulum function is the proteins which are manufactured, it packs the all organelles to transport. This is about endoplasmic reticulum. Vacuole, one of the most important part of the plant cell. Almost it occurs space. Vacuole. So vacuole is also most important part of the cell. Its function is removing waste product generated by the cell. In our body like kidney, it removes waste product. In plant cell, vacuole removes waste products. It also have the kidney shape. Another one. In this vacuole we have fluid. Mitochondria. Mitochondria is known as powerhouse of the cell. Why it is known as powerhouse of the cell? Its function is cellular respiration. Cellular respiration means the process in which cell will get energy to do the work. That's why mitochondria is known as powerhouse of the cell. Its function is cellular respiration. The energy we get from the plants is used to do the work in the organelles. That's why mitochondria is known as powerhouse of the cell. This is our mitochondria. It has spherical shapes or cylindrical. It is 2 to 8 micron long and 0.5 micron wide. There are 150 mitochondria in each cell. It is very small, so I drawn too big. Another one, chloroplast. Chloroplast is in green color due to the presence of chlorophyll. It is in green color. Chloroplast have 3 types: chromoplast, leucoplast, chromoplast, leucoplast, chloroplast.